Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Farmertec Chainsaw Kit is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools a homeowner or professional can have in their arsenal, offering a robust solution for everything from light yard work to demanding logging tasks, and this kit specifically aims to provide an exceptional value proposition for those seeking high performance without breaking the bank, making it a compelling choice for anyone serious about tackling tough jobs with efficiency and reliability. Number 5. Farmertec High Output Oil Pump Oiler Kit for Stihl 066 MS 650 MS 660. Introducing our High Output Oiler Kit, designed for enhanced performance. This is a perfect choice for your milling needs. Experience more flow with this upgraded oiler. Its design ensures efficient lubrication for demanding tasks. Featuring a 1.3 mm oiler stroke, it delivers precise oil delivery. This ensures optimal function for your equipment. This kit is compatible with Stihl 066, MS 650, and MS 660 chainsaws. It's a direct fit for these popular models. We are here to help if you encounter any issues. Please contact us first if you have any problems or confusion after receiving your item. What we like. This oiler offers a higher output, making it perfect for demanding milling operations. If you're looking to maximize your chainsaw's lubrication for heavy-duty tasks, this is the choice for you. Its increased flow ensures consistent lubrication even under extreme conditions. What people say. Easy install, bolted right on and definitely puts out more oil than the stock one. Should help with milling. Quick and easy solution to low bar oil volume on Husqvarna G660. Keeps bar and chain lubricated at a much higher rate than the standard unit. Exactly what I needed for my 660, replaced the weak oil pump with this high-performance pump and now my saw is great again. Number 4. Farmertec 54mm Cylinder Piston Kit for Stihl 046 MS 460. Introducing a brand new, high-quality aftermarket replacement kit. It's designed to be a perfect fit for your Stihl chainsaw. This kit is specifically compatible with the Stihl 046 and MS 460 models. Ensure your chainsaw is one of these to get the best performance. The package includes everything you need: one cylinder, one piston, a piston pin, 2 clips, and 2 rings. It's a comprehensive set for your needs. You might receive a black or silver kit. Don't worry, the color difference doesn't affect its functionality. Our warehouse will send one randomly. Each part has been 100% tested before being sent out. You can be confident in the quality and reliability of this replacement kit. Before ordering, please compare these parts with your original ones. This ensures that this replacement kit will fit your chainsaw perfectly. What we like. Experience a significant power boost with this big bore cylinder and piston kit. If you are aiming to enhance the performance of your Stihl MS460 or 046 chainsaw, this upgrade is essential. It's designed for users who demand more from their equipment. What people say. Very happy. It is a good product. Number 3. Farmertec Cylinder Piston Kit for Husqvarna 455 Rancher 460. Introducing a brand new, high-quality aftermarket replacement part. It's designed to be a perfect fit for your chainsaw. This part is specifically compatible with the Husqvarna 455 Rancher, 455E, and 460 chainsaw models. Ensure a seamless integration with your existing equipment. The package includes everything you need: a cylinder, piston, piston pin, clips, and rings. Get all the essential components in one convenient set. Each part has been 100% tested before shipping to ensure its reliability and performance. You can trust its quality for your tasks. Please note that the cylinder piston kit may come in black or silver. The color does not affect its functionality, as they are otherwise identical. Before ordering, we recommend comparing this part with your original components. This ensures that the replacement part will fit your chainsaw perfectly. What we like. This kit provides a direct replacement for your Husqvarna 455 Rancher series chainsaw. If you need a dependable and high-quality cylinder and piston assembly to get your saw running like new, this is an excellent option. It ensures compatibility and restores optimal cutting power. What people say. Perfect fit, saw works like new. I installed this kit in my Husqvarna 455 Rancher. Number 2. Farmertec 92in1 Hardware Kit for Husqvarna Chainsaws. Introducing the 92-in-1 Hardware Kit, your all-in-one solution for chainsaw maintenance. This comprehensive set includes screws, bolts, nuts, clips, and a chain tensioner. Specifically engineered for compatibility with Husqvarna models 362, 365, 371, and 372 chainsaws. Ensure a perfect fit and reliable performance for your equipment. Crafted with high-quality materials, this kit is built to last. Keep your chainsaw running smoothly with dependable hardware components. Simplify your repairs and maintenance tasks. The included chain tensioner and various fasteners make installation straightforward and efficient. Don't let missing or worn parts slow you down. This essential hardware kit ensures you have everything you need to keep your chainsaw in top condition. Regular maintenance with the right parts is key to longevity. Invest in this kit to protect your valuable equipment and ensure its optimal performance for years to come. What we like. Get everything you need for chainsaw maintenance with this extensive hardware kit. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional who wants to be prepared for any repair, this kit offers unparalleled convenience. It includes screws, bolts, nuts, and chain tensioner parts for your Husqvarna. What people say. Good kit to have on hand. I have used to replace missing screws on 5 different Husqvarna saws. Would recommend to anyone that has multiple saws that get used daily. Great selection of nuts and bolts to have on hand to fix or replace one when you lose it. Number 1. Farmertec MS660066 Chainsaw Repair Kit. Introducing the Farmertec Complete Repair Kit, designed to bring your MS660 or 066 chainsaw back to life. This comprehensive set includes essential parts for a full engine overhaul. This kit contains everything necessary to repair your compatible chainsaw. Get your equipment running smoothly again with this all-in-one solution. Engineered for a perfect fit with the Stihl MS660 and 066 chainsaw models. Ensure optimal performance with parts designed for your specific engine. This package includes the air filter cover, chain sprocket, and clutch drum. It provides the core components needed for major engine repairs. You'll receive a blue air filter base, a blue shroud cover, and a blue cylinder cover. Please note that the bar, chain, and original orange air filter base are not included. Don't let a worn-out engine stop your work. This repair kit offers a cost-effective way to restore your chainsaw's power and functionality. What we like. This kit provides all the crucial parts for a complete engine overhaul of your Stihl MS660 or 066 chainsaw. If you're undertaking a major repair or restoration project, this comprehensive set simplifies the process. It ensures you have the necessary cylinder, clutch, and other vital components. What people say. The kit is a great value for the price, offering a comprehensive set of parts for upgrading your chainsaw. Installation was straightforward, and the new parts significantly improved the chainsaw's performance, making it cut through wood with ease. The build quality of the components is impressive, feeling durable and well-made, which suggests longevity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.